Hey there, I'm Adam with cellhelmet. There have been a lot of articles and videos that have recently come out about just how fragile the S10 really is. So today we're going to apply the Altitude X Pro Series case as well as our Liquid Glass Pro Plus and see what it can take before it breaks. Let's go ahead and apply these and get started. Okay, so we just dropped this Galaxy S10 from 10 feet. Now we're gonna take it even higher. We're gonna go to 12 feet. But to do that, we're gonna need to bring in some reinforcements. All right, this is drop test from 12 feet. Feet. This is 18 feet. All right, we are dropping it from 20 feet. Dropping it from 21 feet. Okay, so it's official. After consecutive drops on the concrete floor of our warehouse, the Galaxy S10 has finally broke after being dropped 21 feet. But hey, even though it broke, your customers are still guaranteed up to $300 because it's covered in a Liquid Glass Pro Plus and was covered with the Altitude X Pro Series case. If you want more information on these products, contact your representative today or visit cellhelmet.com.